everyone, it's me Kandi and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing one of my makeup challenge, and part of my makeup challenge, the look today is smoky eye. Now I know when you think of smoky eye you think black or really dark neutral tones, and because I'm Candace and I'm different and I'm pretty bright, I was like, I'm gonna do a more sunsetty, vibe-ish, springish smoky eye. It's springtime and I'm kind of like want to get away from all the dark colors and I want to embrace the brights, so I decided to do a nice sunset smoky eye. I did use one palette for this entire look, and yeah, so if you're my Kandi babes, thank you so much for coming back and checking out your girl Kandi. I really do appreciate your love and support, guys. You guys are amazing. Amazing. Yeah, that's you. And if this is your first time coming out and checking out your girl, thank you so much for coming by. I appreciate you guys trying to check out and see what I'm all about. So without further ado, let's just go ahead and get this makeup look started, guys. And
alright guys, so as you see and as you know that I already have my brows and my face completely done, and we are going to be using one of my favorite palettes. This is the Queen of Hearts palettes from Raine, and we are going to be using this palette a lot today. Now, the first two shades we're going to be using here is both Empress and Ladyship. We're first going to place Empress on the crease and then blend that out. And now once we add in the Ladyship, we're going to place that on the outer corner of my eye, kind of create this nice smoky wing, and then we're going to bring that inwards into the inner eye. Now once that's done, I'm pretty much going to be layering the colors. So once I get the purple down, I'm going to go back in with the Empress and blend that out, and then go back with the purple and blend that out. I'm really wanting to create a very vibrant smoky eye. And once that has been completed, we're going to go in now with the NYX Conceal palette. We're just going to place a little bit of that concealer on my lid, and then we are going to take the shade called Air and we're going to place that on that lid, blend that inwards towards the middle portion of the eye. Now once that's done, we're going to go back again with the purple and again with the orange, just to make sure that everything is pretty much working together and blended out. And that is pretty much the top portion of the eye. And you already know I did my lashes and my liner off camera. So we're now going to go in and fill in the brow bone. We're going to go use the shade called Your Majesty, and we're just going to place it on the brow bone and then blend that out. And then in the inner corner of the eye, we're going to be using Your Royal Highness, and we're going to place that with that small brush. And with now a nice smudge brush, we're going to go back in with that Empress shade, and then we're going to smudge out the beginning portion of the eye, and then we're going to go back in with Ladyship. With Ladyship, I'm making sure that I'm bringing that color all the way up so that I'm connecting the outer corner of the eye to the bottom portion of my eye. Now we're going to go ahead and place our mascara on, and this is MAC Cosmetics. And the eyes are pretty much done, you guys. How do you think they came out? Very smoky, springy version of it. And now we're going to finish the face. We're going to be using my favorite, you already know this jam. It's Sleep Makeup, and this is their contour kit in the shade Dark. And now we're going to be using Milani, and this is their highlighter in the shade Glowing Strobe in number 4. And we're just placing that on my highest cheekbones and my nose, you know, the highlighting portions. Now to blend out both the contour and highlight, we're going to be using my BH Cosmetics Dual Blush Palette, and we're going to be taking the more mauve pink tone. And then once that's done, we're going to make sure everything's blended out, and that is done for the face. And now the grand finale, which is the lips. We are going to go in with NYX, and this is in the shade Downtown Beauty. And I'm literally just placing this on the outer portions of my lips, and then I'm blending that inwards. And now to give my lips a little bit more of a pink hue, we're going to go use the Colourpop, and this is in the shade 951.
Alright guys, well this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you guys like it. If you did and you watched this entire thing, you might as well go ahead and give this thing a thumbs up. If you are returning, then thank you guys so much for coming back and watching me create this nice smoky, purpley, orangey shine. I also want to apologize to you guys because I feel like with this makeup challenge, I haven't really been doing a lot of like videos. At least the 3 that I used to do per week. So I'm sorry that I haven't really been putting out a lot of content out there. I promise you I'm gonna change that. Anyway guys, thank you so much for coming by. I appreciate your love and support. It's fully amazing. And you guys have a blessed and great day. And I will check you out the next one. Peace.